Alright everyone, today we want to show you the Summerroll. This is a traditional dish from the Vietnamese cuisine. First, we start boiling salt water in a pot. Then, we need 15 middle-sized raw shrimps. We take the shrimps and pull them straight over these thin satay-sticks. By doing that, the shrimps will stay straight after cooking and can therefore better be rolled into our Summerroll. When the salt water is boiling, we throw the shrimp sticks in the pot and simmer them for 1 minute. Don't cook them too long, otherwise your shrimps will become dry. After 1 minute in the boiling water, take the shrimp sticks out and let them cool down. Now we need again boiling water for our glass noodles. While the water is boiling, cut a handful roasted peanuts into small pieces. We will need them later for our dip. Also, cut 1 or 2 chillis. We need them as topping for our dip. When the water is boiling, give 100-gram glass noodles into it and boil them until they are done. Now we have everything ready to roll our Summerrolls. First, you take 1 sheet of rice paper and dip it into warm water. Then you add some of the glass noodles. We also put 4 to 5 leaves of Thai basil. This has to be special Thai basil. Normal basil can't substitute it. We also add 3 to 4 leaves mint to our filling. Then we pull the shrimps off the sticks and add 3 to our Summerrolls. Now we also add some leaves of salad and we can finish our Summerroll. Now fold the sides of the rice paper and roll the filling in. The Summerroll is now finished and we serve it with a small bowl of Hoisin sauce, which we sprinkle with the peanuts and chili pieces. We hope you enjoyed this delicious finger food. As always, thanks for watching. If you like our content, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the notification bell. Have a nice day. Over and out.